Hey there, fellow Venmo users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into how to add another Venmo account in 2025. Whether you're a small business owner needing a separate account for transactions or just someone wanting to keep personal and professional finances apart, this guide has you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Venmo app is up to date. Head to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the Apple App Store, and check for any updates. This is crucial because Venmo rolls out new features regularly, and we're talking about the 2025 version here, which includes smoother account management tools. Once you're all updated, open the Venmo app and log in to your primary account. Now, tap on the menu icon, usually 3 lines or a profile picture in the top corner. From there, scroll down to Settings or Account Settings. In 2025, Venmo has made this super easy with a new Account Management section. Next, look for the option that says Add another account or Link new account. Tap on that and you'll be prompted to enter details for your new account. This might include your email, phone number, or even a verification code sent to your device. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. It's designed to be user-friendly, but double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. After you've entered the required info, Venmo will ask you to verify your identity. This could involve a quick selfie, a code from your email, or linking a bank account. Once that's done, hit Confirm, and boom, your new account is added. You can now switch between accounts seamlessly right from the app. A quick tip: if you run into any issues, like an error message, make sure your app permissions are enabled and you're on a stable internet connection. Venmo's support team is top-notch, so don't hesitate to reach out if needed. There you have it. That's how you add another Venmo account in 2025. It's a game changer for managing multiple finances without the hassle. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.